Alright guys, so this happened a lot quicker than expected. Just earlier today, I posted a video here on YouTube explaining how Apple could potentially release a new software update, iOS 26.3.1, at any moment. In just a few hours after posting that video, here it is. iOS 26.3.1. This new software update is now available for all iPhone users to download as of today. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over everything that's new within iOS 26.3.1. And I also wanted to share with you guys a few things you're going to want to do on your iPhone right after you update. Now, aside from iOS 26.3.1, Apple also released iPadOS and macOS 26.3.1 alongside Studio Display firmware update 26.3. So first, let's talk about what's new within iOS 26.3.1. Let's head on over into settings. Let's go under general, tap into the about section, click into iOS version. Right there is the latest release notes for iOS 26.3.1. And you see here, the release notes say, this update expands external display support to include the new Studio Display 2026 and Studio Display XDR, along with bug fixes for iPhone users. So this software update will add support for these new Studio Display devices alongside additional bug fixes. Now, Apple did not specify exactly which bugs they're looking to fix with this one. We know there's several issues with Wi-Fi connection and reliability of Wi-Fi, so hopefully we'll see improvements of that. Hopefully we'll see battery life improvement as well for some users that continue to struggle with battery life in iOS 26, but obviously that is for another day. I'll continue testing the software and provide you guys with another follow-up video in regards to those things. Now, the one thing I do want to mention for those iPhone users that are constantly having issues with overheating or third-party application crashing, here's a few things you're going to want to do. So even if you have the automatic app updates feature enabled on your iPhone, head on over into the App Store, and right after you update to iOS 26.3.1, tap into your account right here on the top, and then just hold and refresh just like so, and you could have some new app updates waiting for you, as you can see right there. So obviously, once you update your iPhone, make sure you update all your third-party application. Again, if you were having issues with overheating or third-party app crashing, this will most likely help you with some of those issues. I always like to mention this because I know some users that are new to the channel may not know about this, even if you have that automatic updates feature enabled, some of these updates don't kick in right away. So make sure you do that. Now again, iOS 26.3.1 available to download as of today for all iPhone users, including iPadOS and macOS. Thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.